Hey guys, I want to show you this new website, or it's new to me, that has tons of recipes for whole food, plant-based. We're doing these chickpea tenders with flax seeds. Just sent the link to Bonnie. And so you have these recipes here. And what you do is, it's the T. Colin Campbell Center for Nutritional Studies. And up there it says nutritionalstudies.org. So what you do is, I'll show you the main website. There's T. Colin Campbell. And up here at the top, it says recipes. So you click on that, and you got all these choices to see the recipes on. So I clicked on main dish, and then you've got tons and tons of recipes here. That's for main dish. You can do it for breakfast. And then just click more. More. And then it'll say more. It has tons and tons of recipes here. For whole food, plant-based, it's a new one. Keep in mind, it's nutritionalstudies.org. Just do T. Colin Campbell nutrition website. Google that, you'll get to it. Let's see all these recipes. This is something brand new. I'll go back here. You go to this website. It says nutritionalstudies.org. There's T. Colin Campbell. And then there's recipes up here. Click on that. And it has all this stuff. There's one, veggie burger sliders. Got all this. So you go and, let's see, salads. It's got tons of salads here. Look at this. More, and it says more, and you click on that. Isn't this great? Isn't this wonderful for someone whole food, plant-based? Raw beet salad, easy Buddha bowl, black rice salad. You know, look at all that. I just wanted to share that with you. T. Colin Campbell, Center for Nutritional Studies. One more time. Nutritionstudies.org. Not nutrition studies, not nutritional. Okay? When you see his face, you're on the right place. And recipes up there. So it's nice. Shows all that. So if you're into plant-based, you need some recipes, go to this one and see T. Colin Campbell's face. You know, he's a pioneer. He's one of the great ones. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment. I love it when you comment. You can say negative things. I appreciate all those who make comments. You have a great Sunday.